Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve battery life on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, we want to turn off sleep display. This is very important. We open up the settings, go to home screen and lock screen. Go to lock screen, and here we have the sleep display. Now, as you guys can see, here we have the always on display. And it is basically working like this. It drains our battery. That's why we want to disable the sleep display and the always on display. Here, next, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and go to display. In the display, we need to scroll down until we see screen timeout in the lock display settings. Here we want to make sure that we set it to 15 or 30 seconds. I would recommend using 15 seconds and attentive display. But since I'm recording a video, 1 minute should be enough for me. So put it out 15 or 30 seconds. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and open up sound and vibration. Now here, you scroll a bit down, go to vibration and haptics, and you disable vibration and haptics because it also drains your battery. And we want to improve it here. Next, we go over into the settings. So sorry, not settings, but the battery settings. We open up battery. Now here we will have the battery usage, and here we have an app. Now we have manage app battery usage, and we switch it always to don't allow so that it doesn't run in the background. So this is the method I've been using for a while now, and we want to make sure that it's on don't allow so it preserves our battery life. And of course, as a last resort, what are we gonna do is we're gonna switch our light mode to the dark theme, and now we save even more battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.